What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Your boy is back. I took a week off, but I'm feeling so much better now. We just picked up our dunks. You know, you gotta get the usual order for that dunks, baby. So, right now, we're gonna run a couple errands today, but I wanna get a couple B-rolls of the Q50 today. I'm gonna look for a little spot somewhere. I have no idea yet, but you're gonna come with us to run a couple errands, and you're gonna get a nasty B-roll of the Q50 today. So, with that being said, let's go start this day. I'll catch y'all in a few. Yo, look at all these lights, bro. Oh, dang, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Swatted, yo. Ruby's driving. Ruby's driving. Look at this man. He got taillights. Oh, my God. They still coming, bro. Sheesh. It's Miss Michaela's birthday. Look at you, got her little gift right there, yo. Look at JJ. Look at Fresh Boy. How you feel, girl? It's your birthday. She's all up in the Mario Kart already. Look at that, online.
Few moments later.
All right, so we just finished up with the fam. So right now, we're about to head to go do a little B-roll of the Q50. So there's a little spot that I like, that I've seen before. I've checked it out before, and I've had a little vision there. So hopefully, what's in my head works out the way it's supposed to. Usually it does, but sometimes it just doesn't work. But I don't like, for me personally, I don't like to do B-rolls of my own car and stuff like that, because when I go to like a show or a meet or stuff, like I like to appreciate everything else that's going on around me, and I like to live more in the moment, you know what I mean, instead of focusing on my own little world, you know what I mean? So it's just something I like to do, and that's just a way to enjoy life a little bit better, in my eyes, you know. So with that being said, I'll see you at the spot, and cue the cinematics, baby. Burlington week. So we're going to Tennessee next week on Friday. So actually the vlog is going to be on the 4th of July. So you'll see that the 5th of July. But that vlog is going to be dope. So we're just grabbing a couple last minute things that we need for the trip, and we should be Gucci. Bro, no, we did not come here for this, babe. Let's go. Dude, just stopping by everything, bro. No! I'm getting sick of this. I'm getting sick of this. I'm getting sick of this. Stop. We're going through the store. Oh, yeah. Y'all don't know. Yo, don't tempt me, bro. Don't tempt me. I'm gonna do it. I need some seat covers. I need them. $10. I can make Ruby buy this wheel cover for her car. Watch. This thing's hideous. I would never let her buy this. But I guarantee I can persuade her to buy this. Watch. Babe, you need this. No, it'll work. It matches your interior. It matches your interior for your car. I know you wanted one. This is not bad. This is a good one. This gives you nice grip. It's nice and warm on the hands for the winter time. Look, this is a perfect one for you. Trust me.
Okay,
You know you believe me.
Okay, so I'm looking for
Here,
stuff.
so you're gonna buy it? No, you need it.
That's not even from my car.
No, it'll fit though. It's a universal car cover. It's gonna fit. It's gonna fit.
Alright, can we like focus?
So we're gonna get this one.
I'm gonna swear one.
Oh, it looks like I lost $10. She didn't want it.
I really don't understand what's
Yo, I
happening.
can use these for ball though.
Oh. What is wrong with this kid? What is wrong with him? Oh, hell no.
Alright, with that being said, this is the end of the vlog. We are at Cheesecake Factory, about to grab some food. Call it a day. This girl's starving. She's angry to rap for this girl. So, that being said, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for next week's vlog. We're gonna be in Chattanooga, Tennessee, bro. About to see my boys down there. My boys Josh, my boys Neff. Those are the homies right there, the A1 Day ones. So I will see you guys next week. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. See ya.